iPhone 30 Pro, right? The battery replace after you can see the 100% battery health.
We don't not showing the
Unknown part. No. We are fixing genuine battery 30 minutes like that. Hi guys. Today we are replacing iPhone 30 Pro. Now the battery health 78.
Maraming salamat at pinalitan mo ang aking baterya ng maayos. Perfecto. Maraming salamat agad.
Burn the battery, burn. You can see the battery. Same. Not different. This is all.
Not showing.
Not showing unknown. You can see the genuine part only. Are you satisfied with the service?
I would be satisfied to fixing our battery before 78. Now it's 100% genuine.